Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Haley Estes. Here at the Mountain View Cottage, I share all things managing a large family household, organizing, cleaning, homeschooling, you name it. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video with you where I'm just kind of cleaning up my house and resetting my house after a really busy week. It is currently a Thursday and I like to do this once or twice a week just to kind of stay on top of everything, where I just really clean and organized in a concentrated amount of time. I have daily routines that help me manage my home with a large family. We have 7 kids ranging in ages from 1 to 16. And so life can get busy and messy, and I wouldn't have it any other way, but with the busy and messy comes lots of cleaning. So today I'm going to be cleaning. I'm started out in my kitchen. I'm just kind of resetting the dishes and running the dishwasher, cleaning out the baby's high chair and all the things. I feel like one of the greatest tools I have as a large family is that my kids help a lot with chores. So I don't ever feel like I am managing the household all on my own. We have a pretty consistent chore chart that my kids follow daily. It's how they earn their screen time, so it's super motivating. And it really just helps us bear the burden of a busy house together, and it teaches them really valuable skills. We're also a foster family, and it's actually been a really great tool to help us integrate new kids in our home. Currently, we are fostering a teen, and it just helps them feel like they're more part of the family when they're part of the cleaning routine. So I actually was planning to give our teen a little break when she first moved in with us and not add her to the chores, but she insisted that I add her to the chores because she wanted to be part of the family. And so it's been really cool to see her jump in and join our family routines such as chores. But this particular week, it's summer, and a couple of my kids and my husband are gone away to a camp, and so our chore chart's gotten a little wonky, and some of the cleaning chores that kids would do, they have been gone. So I am picking up the slack, and it's okay because every now and then I like to kind of just clean things a little deeper, such as cleaning the oven. I love Dawn dish spray for cleaning anything that has grease or grime or buildup on it. Typically, I like to use all natural cleaners in my kitchen, but when it comes to the stove and other greasy, dirty, grimy areas, I find that Dawn dish spray really is the best. So I also really love these EnviroCloths that my friend sent me. They have, I think, silver inside them, and they just clean and polish really good and make the surface really shiny. But in this spray bottle, I'm using a mixture that I made, which has about a tablespoon of Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds and the Plant Therapy Essential Oil Citrus Blend. I put about 10 to 20 drops in the bottle, depending on how I'm feeling. And I'm just using that to kind of clean off my stainless steel fridge, which, you know, gets lots of handprints from kids on it every day. And then I'm going to use that EnviroCloth again to really polish it and make it shine. I find that this works better than any stainless steel cleaner, and then there's not buildup of chemical on top of my appliances, which I really like. We use this air fryer for our toaster, so it gets used a lot. I have kids who love toast in this house, and so it was been pretty neglected, so it was time for me to just really clean this out and make it shine again. Anyway, once again, I have to say that establishing a chore system for our family really has made managing a large household so much easier. The way we do it at our house is we have a rotation, and actually on the fridge next to me, you can't really see it, you can just see the corner of it. I have printed and laminated our chore chart, and so my kids can see what their chore is every day. Some of the chores that we have consist of things like morning dishes, evening dishes. Kids have one or the other. Pet care, we have 17 chickens, 1 dog, and 2 kittens currently. One of those kittens will be going to a new home soon, so we'll just have 1 cat, but that means we have, you know, a chicken coop, dog and cat water and food and waste from the pets that has to be cleaned up. And so that's assigned to a kid each day that rotates, and there's 7 kids, so everyone gets 1 chance a week to take care of our pets. There is one of the pets right now. Her name is Gray. She's an 8-year-old wiener dog. We just love her. Her mom recently passed away, which was really hard and sad. But anyway, we also have a rotation. The bathrooms get cleaned by kids. Well, the kids' bathrooms get cleaned twice a week. They clean their bathrooms. We have 2 kid bathrooms, a girl bathroom and a boy bathroom. And then we also have vacuuming upstairs or downstairs or the stairs. And I try to make sure that there are age-appropriate chores on our chore chart. So I have a 5-year-old who just can't quite do the dishes and things like that yet. He would need a helper, and so at this point he's doing things like sweeping the back porch, vacuuming the stairs, helping me collect dirty laundry so I can sort it, things like that. So I find that it's really helpful to involve all the ages of my kids in chores, and there's great ideas online for what kind of chores work great for different kids. And so anyway, it's just one of the ways that I manage our home, by having a consistent chore chart and having that motivating factor of my kids earning their screen time really helps my kids get their chores done, because I don't know about your kids, but my kids love some screen time. Also, laundry with a large family can be a lot of work. Fortunately, I really love doing laundry. So something about laundry, I don't know, I find it kind of like sentimental. I love seeing their little clothes come through the wash and smelling them and folding them. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but laundry is one of the things I really love. So typically the way I do laundry is I do several loads a day. I like to do about 2 to 3 loads of laundry a day. I have a Speed Queen washer and dryer set, which I have talked all about on my Instagram and my stories, and there's highlights saved if you want to hear all about how I feel about these amazing washing machines. But they're workhorses and they hold up so well. I had gone through like literally 3 different sets of washers and dryers before I got this set, and this set has worked amazing and has really made a difference, and it's efficient, so I don't have to wait a long time for things to dry or wash. Anyway, now I'm just hanging up the clothes that go in my closet, mine and my husband's closet. I just recently installed some shelving units in my closet. It's a bookshelf that has 3 drawers in it, and I did 3 of them. You can kind of see them in the back there. Where I'm walking into my closet. There's 3 of them, and it's just really made our closet so much more organized. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you'll come back to my channel to see more videos and content just like this one.